At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
15 अगस्त सन 1947 भारत को मिली आजादी। भारत आजाद तो हो चुका था, पर फिर भी वे गरीबी, भ्रष्टाचार, अंधविश्वास, अंधश्रद्धा इत्यादि जैसे बड़े बड़े सामाजिक समस्याओं की कैद में पूरी तरह जकड़ा हुआ था। भारत के लोगों को तथा वो जो गांवों में रहते थे, उनके अंदर इन चीजों के प्रति जागरूकता पैदा करने के लिए और उनको मदद करने के लिए हमारे देश के नौजवान विद्यार्थियों को एकजुट होना जरूरी था। हमारे राष्ट्रपिता मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी जी ने भी ये कहा था कि the students should do something positive so that the life of villagers might be raised to a higher material and moral level. इसी बात को ध्यान में रखकर डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन ने राष्ट्रीय सेवा यानी नेशनल सर्विस को एकेडमिक्स में रेकमेंड किया। सन 1958 में हमारे पूर्व और पहले प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी ने मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एजुकेशन को यह निर्देश दिया कि वो राष्ट्रीय सेवा को एकेडमिक इंस्टीट्यूशंस में लाए। सन 1969 गांधी जी के 100वें जन्म वर्ष में डॉक्टर VKRV राव ने सैतीस यूनिवर्सिटी में एक ऐसा प्रोग्राम लॉन्च किया जिसने पूरी दुनिया में इतिहास दर्ज कर दिया, और वो था NSS, नेशनल सर्विस स्कीम, राष्ट्रीय सेवा योजना।
NSS IIT Roorkee presents Life and Service. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. One can't be fully alive without relationships with others. We are made for love, to be unified in giving and receiving with others. If we close ourselves off to the service, we'll never create the space within ourselves to be filled with love. The core values of social work include compassionate service to others, fostering dignity for all individuals, social justice, and promoting stronger human relationships. Service before self brings out the importance of social service in our lives. As highlighted by our motto, not for me, but for the nation, the aim of NSS is to produce individuals who are socially responsible and work for the development of the nation. The young blood of these volunteers has a lot of passion. NSS provides an opportunity to help them to do something for the development of the country. NSS undertakes various activities in adopted villages and in college campuses for community service. The volunteers work in rural areas and adopt villages to serve the cause of humanity through surveys, education, and health awareness programs. The adventurous activities undertaken in camps include trekking of mountains, water rafting, parasailing, and basic skiing, which infuses the sense of love towards the various regions of India and enhances leadership qualities, fraternity, team spirit, and risk-taking capacity. The volunteers interact with fellow members hailing from various parts of India, which constitutes the bond of patriotism, national integration, brotherhood, and communal harmony. Campaigning programs are an integral part of NSS. It has a special appeal to the youth as it provides unique opportunities to the students for group living, collective experience sharing, and constant integration with the community. NSS IITR organizes a national summit every year. It is a thorough campaign that focuses on various social aspects of our society. NSS has helped many people who are affected by some calamity. NSS provides the students with a platform for serving their nation and their personality development also. NSS helps the students to grow individually, independently, and also as a group. The volunteers gain confidence by participating in the NSS activities and get to know how to make plans in order to complete a task. They develop skills like public speaking, raising funds, educating others, etc. It makes students confident, develop leadership skills, and innovative ideas. NSS helps students develop a sense of civic responsibility, teamwork, and mainly awareness of every social problem. Volunteers do not necessarily have the time, they just have the heart. These volunteers reflect. Now talking about the flashbacks and the history of NSS IITR, it dates long back, 2003, when the first faculty advisor was me, Professor Navneet Arora, along with the first ever General Secretary Vinod Kothari. It started with a visit to IIT Delhi to see facilities, schemes and relevant details, and on 16 September 2003, NSS IIT Roorkee was revived. In 2003, with only 100 volunteers, we started with a few cells, namely health service, publicity and information, rural education, nature conservation, and social awareness cell. It has now in 2021 become a group of 18 cells and 500 plus members. Social Summit. The flagship event of NSS IITR started in 2016 under the name Sankalp. Every year, there are a plethora of events tribute to a theme to signify our cause of not for me, but for the nation. In 2021, we conducted the first online summit, which was a huge success, having collaborations and recognitions from esteemed organizations like WHO India, Khalsa Aid, ICMR. In the last 5 years, Social Summit has seen a lot of growth and we hope to carry the legacy forward. 2018, Women and Child Welfare. 2019, Empowerment through Education. 2020, Rebuilding Nature through Innovation. 2021, Envisioning Better Healthcare Evolution. Road Safety. NSS IITR has served the first student body to take the event up to spreading awareness about road safety in January 2020. All volunteers took pledge to be aware and make others aware of following the traffic rules for safer travel. The initiative was extended in 2021, celebrating the National Road Safety Month with workshops, webinars, case studies, ideathon, poster making, among various others on the theme of Sadak Suraksha, Jeevan Raksha. NSS IIT Roorkee, in cooperation with Khalsa Aid, successfully carried out a food distribution drive, organizing a campus tour for 400 plus students belonging to 3 different schools from Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan Cell, inspired by the vision of our Prime Minister, undertook waste segregation awareness camp and went from shop to shop to educate regarding the same and lay down dry and wet waste boxes. Over 400 plus dedicated volunteers went to Haridwar to clean the banks of Ganga River on one fine Saturday morning as a part of Ganga Cleanliness Drive. Blood donation camp. It started in 2004 with 139 donors on 15th August. It still carries its legacy till 15 years, and 2019 we have received 1100 plus registrations. Our first event during the pandemic was an offline one, and that too a blood donation camp for COVID help. Cloth distribution drive. NSS has collected cloths from students, staff to distribute among needy people of Roorkee in 2019 October. Eye checkup camp for the students of Government Primary School Panyala in association with Society for Children and Women in Need and Civil Hospital Roorkee. Republic Day. As the tradition continues, NSS IIT Roorkee celebrates Republic Day with joy and pride, which instills in everyone the pride of being an Indian. In conclusion, I would like to say that NSS IIT Roorkee has achieved a lot in these 18 years and would like to dedicate more to the cause of not for me but for the nation. We also want to thank and appreciate all the social workers who gave and are giving their very best to the nation and society at large. In the future too, we hope to join with prominent of these social warriors and impact more lives. After all, what is life if it doesn't make us more humble? Thank you all.